Hey there gamers, welcome back to the Windows Fixer. Today we have got something special for those of you gaming on low-end PC, particularly with the trusty Core 2 processor. If you have been facing performance issue or struggling to get that smooth gameplay in Valorant, you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through some tried and true methods to optimize Valorant for your setup. Let's dive in. Section number 1. Lowering in-game settings for better performance. First thing first, let's tackle those in-game settings. Open up Valorant and head to the settings menu. Here you will want to lower your resolution to the lowest acceptable values. This immediately reduces the strain on your CPU and GPU. Next, start tweaking settings like texture quality, shadow affecting effects and anti-aliasing. It will all about finding that sweet spot between performance and visual. Let's start it. So the first thing you need to do here, in the general tab, just scroll down and make sure to turn off show mature content. It's hugely impact your FPS. After that, just move into the video sections, and here you need to cap your FPS on 60 FPS if you are using the Core 2. And if there's any NVIDIA reflexes or low latency available, make sure turn it on. And if you are using the any latest version graphic card, then you can select it on plus boost. Now go into the graphic quality and make sure everything should be lower material quality, low texture detail quality, UI quality, low, vaguenity off, VSync off, anti-aliasing none, anisotropic filtering 1x, and will be turned off. All these options improve clarity, experimental sharpness, bloom, distortions and cast shadows. This will not impact your gameplay experience, but definitely it will boost your FPS and performance. One more option in the videos, then general tab, make sure display mode should be on full screen. It will give you a huge improvement in performance. Section 2, going full screen and display scaling. Moving on, let's move sure you are gaming in full screen mode. This maximizes your system resources for Valorant and can lead to the smoother performance. Also check your display scaling settings in Windows. Setting it to 100% reduce unnecessary strain on your processor. So here just right click on your desktop, and definitely you need to go here into the display settings, and you can find it over here in the scaling and layout sections. Change the size of text, apps and other items. Make sure to select it 100%. Now if you are using NVIDIA, just right click on your desktop, go into the NVIDIA control panel. Once you open the NVIDIA control panel, now simply you need to go here into the, simply go into the adjust desktop size and positions. Once you go over here, just click here on the performance scaling. On should be on display. If you have a good GPU, then you can select here a GPU, otherwise just select it on a display. Override the scaling mode set by game and programs. Check this option for better performance. Also select the aspect ratio over here, and that's it. Section 3, background applications and graphic drivers. Here's a quick one. Close background applications. They can eat up precious resources that Valorant need. Additionally, always ensure your graphic drivers are up to date. Updated drivers can often provide noticeable performance improvement. For that, just click on the Windows icon, then go into the settings, then click on the privacy. Make sure to turn off all these options, and then scroll down on the left side. You will see here the background applications. By default it's turned on. Make sure to turn it off and just close it. Once you have done this, right click on the taskbar and open the task manager. Now in the startup section, you will see here all the tools or applications. Those are running when your operating system will start booting up. So make sure disable all unnecessary items. Once you have done this, just close it. Now click on the Windows icon, type here the msconfig and hit enter. Now in this section, just click on the boot option, click on the advanced option and number of processors. Select here the maximum cores that your CPU have. Now click on the services, check hide all Microsoft services. Now here you will see all the unnecessary services, so uncheck those. Might be it will improve your performance. After applying, you may need to restart your computer to apply these changes. Before restarting, save any option files and close all programs. Section 4, Launch options and Windows performance. If you are using Steam, you might be familiar with launch option. However, since Valorant use Riot Games launchers, we don't have directly access to the launch options. Not to worry though, you can still optimize your system by adjusting settings manually. Now head to your system properties in Windows and choose adjust for best performance to free up even more sources. Just open File Explorer, then right click on this PC, go into the properties. Once you go over there, you will find on the right side advanced system settings. In the advanced system settings, you need to select here the advanced once again and then click on the performance settings. Now here you can select here for adjust for the best performance and hit apply. Once you have done this, one more thing that is more important and hugely will boost your FPS performance plus in-game performance, but also it will drop your graphic visual. So if you want performance, then just open this PC and then C drive, then users, then of course the user name that you have created, and here you need to find the app data. But in case if by default it's hidden, so just click on the destination path, put here the vertical slash, then type app data and hit enter. Then click on the local and find here the Valorant. Then go into the save settings and then into the configuration files, and here you will see some folders. Now few folders are related to your crash report client and Valorant configurations, but we are going with these kind of names. So started like the key. Just open anyone and then go into the Windows, and then you will see here the game user settings. Once you open this, scroll down on the bottom, you will see here the SG resolution quality. You can put here around 50, 1, 1, 1, 1, and even you can put 0, 0 and 0. Once you have done this, hit apply and close it. Now simply you need to launch your Valorant and you will see a huge improvement in FPS, but as well you will lose some visual quality. Section 5. Clean up your PC and overclocking. Keep your PC clean by removing temporary files, unnecessary programs. This can boost your overall system performance. Now a word about overclocking. This is for the advanced user who knows what they are doing. It can potentially give you a performance boost, but it comes with risk and is not recommended for everyone. If you are interested about how to overclock your CPU or GPU, just let me know in the comment section, so I'll make a specific tutorial for you. For cleaning the cache and unnecessary files, simply click on the Windows icon and search here for run command prompt or dialog box. Once you open here, just type the prefetch and hit enter. You don't currently have permission to access this folder, just click on the continue, so you will see here a lot of junk files. Just right click on it and shift delete. Click on yes. Now this section can't be completed because the file is open in sysmain, so just do this for all current items and skip it. Close it. Once again Windows plus R to open the dialog box, and this time you need to type here the temp. Again click on continue, Ctrl A and shift delete. Once again Windows plus R key, and this time you need to type here the %temp% and hit enter. Now select all these files and shift delete. This section can't be completed because the file is open in Internet Download Manager, so just do this for all current items and skip it. And close this one. Now one more thing is more important for better performance. Just open File Explorer and right click on your C drive where you have installed your game. Now go into the properties and click on the disk cleanup. Now make sure check all these options and click on clean up system files. Once it scans everything, now click on OK and it will delete all the cache and unnecessary junk files. You can also do here the defragment. If you are using the hard disk drive for your Valorant, then it's more important to use the defragment for better performance and FPS and fast loading. Once you open this, make sure to select your drive and click on the optimize. Now for SSD, it's not important to do a defragment or optimizing drive because SSD work in a totally different way. But if you are using hard disk for gaming purpose, then select the hard disk drive and click on optimize. It will take time and give you the performance for launching games and remove the stuttering issues. Number 6. Regular maintenance, conclusions and optimizing videos. And there you have it folks. We have covered a range of optimization techniques for getting Valorant to run like a charm on your core to do system. Remember, optimization is an ongoing process. Keep your system and drivers updated and periodically revisit your settings to ensure everything is running smoothly. Before we wrap up, if you are hungry for more optimization tips and gaming hacks, be sure to check out the videos popping up on your screen right now. They are loaded with insight to help you squeeze every drop of performance out of your rig.
Hey there, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe and share it with your fellow gamers. Until next time.